This is a comparison video for those who might be interested in purchasing an e-bike. I own two models, a Stromer ST1S, which is last year's model, and a brand new Giant Road E-1, new for 2017 in the US. It's been available abroad for a couple of years. The difference between the two models is the Stromer is about 62 pounds and the Giant Road E-1 is 42 pounds. The Stromer has a stronger motor. It's a bit faster on the flats and on uphill descents of about 10 or 12% grade. Once you get above that, you'd have to go to the Road E-1. Once you have a cadence of about 70, which is its sweet spot, it'll climb much better than the Stromer. It has a Yamaha mid motor, which gives it a bit more torque and rides a lot more like a regular bicycle than the Stromer. Had a chance yesterday to go out and put about 24 miles on it, and it's a beautiful bike. Great brakes. A cadence of about 70 on the flats will give you about 25 miles per hour, which is exactly the same as the Stromer. The Stromer, however, does not need as much of a cadence on a uphill grade of about maybe 10%. You can stay in that gear and climb at about 20 miles per hour up a 10 or 12% grade, where the Giant does require a downshift in order to increase cadence, but still climbs at a very fast rate. Two are great bikes, and it's just a matter of what you're looking for. They're two completely different bikes when you ride them, and if you're looking for a bike that rides more like a standard bicycle, that would be the Giant. If you're looking for something with more power and not more speed but more power, the Stromer would be the bike. Two great bikes. I figured I'd put up a review for everybody to see them. Giant's a great bike. I just bought it and looking forward to putting a lot of miles on it this summer. And I think the Giant will give you more miles out of the 500-watt battery. I rode basically in standard mode yesterday with it, and a couple of times in power. I did 24 miles and I still had 58% left. I'm sure if I rode an Eco, I could probably stretch that out to about 70, 80 miles on the Giant. The Stromer, on the other hand, uses a bit more power. 24, 25 mile ride on that will net you about 35% left. Again, that has 4 modes of power. And so two great bikes, just for somebody who might be interested in purchasing one of these bikes.